Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix drawing not appearing in Layout Viewport using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your blank print boxes on your current setup session so your lines pop up clearly right where they belong. Step 1. Jump inside your window and center your whole drawing. The first step is to open up your blank view frame and use a quick mouse command to force the computer to search your entire file and center all your shapes directly inside the box. Move your mouse pointer over to your white paper sheet. Double-click your main mouse button quickly inside the border lines of your blank window box, and then press the scroll wheel button on your mouse down twice very quickly. Watch your screen blink as the computer automatically pulls all your lines from the deep background canvas and fits them perfectly inside your frame borders. Because many times, your drawing is actually sitting inside the file, but it is floating far off to the side where your camera cannot see it. You have to use this double click to command the system engine to reset its position and bring your shapes into view. Without this step, you will be staring at a blank screen canvas simply because your view is pointed at an empty corner of the map. Step 2. Turn on your frozen layer groups inside the window. Next, you need to check your layer folder list to make sure the software didn't freeze your drawing shapes specifically inside this print frame while leaving them visible elsewhere. With your mouse cursor still active inside the dark border frame, move your eyes up to your top toolbar, click your main folder list open, look at the row of icons, and click on any tiny snowflake symbols to turn them back into bright suns. Look closely for the specific icon row that says VP Freeze and make sure every single small symbol is switched on and glowing brightly. Because the software has a special safety feature that can put your line folders to sleep inside individual print boxes. If the icon looks like a cold blue snowflake, the system will keep your lines completely invisible on your paper layout, even if you can see them on your main drawing board. Changing the snowflake to a sun wakes up the folder instantly, so your objects show through the glass window. Step 3. Bring your objects down to a flat surface level. The final step is to check if your shapes are floating too high up in the digital air, which can cause the viewport box to miss them entirely when it looks down at the paper sheet. Click the tab at the bottom to go back to your main dark model board, highlight all your lines with your mouse, and type the word flatten into your bottom command row, hit enter, and type N for no when it asks about hidden lines. Once the system finishes flattening the items, click back over to your Paper Layout tab and check inside your view box frame to confirm your drawing is fully visible. Because if a shape is pasted incorrectly from an outside file, it might have an invisible height level that places it above or below what the print camera can capture. Running this leveling tool brings every single piece down to the exact same ground level on your drawing map. Now your viewport visibility setup is completely finished, and your lines will stay locked in place perfectly. And that's it. To fix drawing not appearing in Layout Viewport, you must first double-click inside your viewport box and double-click your mouse wheel to center your shapes. Then you look at your layer list and turn any snowflake icons into suns to unfreeze your lines inside that specific window frame. Finally, you use the flatten command on your main model board to bring all your objects down to the same surface level. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.